Yeah. Guys, if you want to join my live stream, I will be happy. 30 minutes chit chat. Okay, 30 minutes. Thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much to go. Hello, hello. It's Spicy D. I didn't change my name. I have a support channel. This is your support. This is your support channel. Okay, bro. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy you are here, guys. Yeah, it's been 2 years. I'm not active on YouTube, but you are here, guys. Yeah. Hello, Laura Nook. Dance if you can read this. Laura's. Yeah. Hello, Laura. Thank you, thank you. Taga saan si Laura? Okay. Hello, Laura. Thank you so much, Laura. Okay. You're a baby girl. Yes, you're a baby girl. Okay. Lucky today, I'm on your live stream. Yeah, I'm lucky and you're lucky, okay? Because wonderful YT limits trying to support others with comments, but without comments, it's unlimited. Huh? What do you mean, brother? Hey my God. Okay, guys. Okay, I miss doing live stream. I dropped the link, guys. Yeah, brother deflection. Brother deflection, sister Helda DC, brother Viking, brother Brett. Yeah, if you want to join, yeah, I will invite you to join my could be fake. What do you mean could be okay? What's that, Sister Hilda DC? I always see your upload, but you stop doing live stream. Yeah, I'm doing live stream only, brother Dave. Yeah. Why is it my night boot is not dropping your link, guys? Yeah. Why is it my night boot is not dropping your link? I will follow my ano. I will follow my ano. Hello, Nora. Thank you, thank you. Okay, the person claiming to be deflection. I come back for a second. Iko, hello to go. Hello to go. Guys, if you are new here on my live stream, I would like to drop or to comment down your place so that I can shout out you also. Okay, guys, I dropped the link. If you want to join my live stream, you can also join in my panel. Yeah, it is ano lang tayo, 30 minutes chit chat only. Yes, okay. Brother Brett, you are working now? You go to work? Ano, hindi talaga. My nightbot is not dropping your link. So I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay? Yes. I don't know why. What happened? Okay? I will pala. Hilda DC, I'm going to give you a big sour pickle to eat. Okay. Yes, sour. Yes. I love pickle. Yes, I love pickles. Yes, it's very yummy. Okay. Yeah. Uh 1 hour ago, I'm doing live stream on my TikTok. I'm selling. I work tonight. Okay. Okay, okay. Double tap, guys, for your own sweet sister. Yeah, tap, 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 tap. Okay. My mom said I'm gonna sleep, so bye. Okay, bye, bye, Laura. Thank you so much, Laura. Okay. Hey, brother Reflection, this is you. This is you. Laura, bye, bye, Laura. This is you, bro. Okay. Brother Deflection pala dyan talaga. Yeah, brother nakita ko. Yeah, I'm checking the ano ba, the channel of doing well support. Brother Deflection is here. Brother Deflection is yeah, it's really me. Yeah, that's why I'm double check ko. Yeah, Brother Deflection is here talaga. So it's really Brother Deflection because I'm wondering ba. Yes, so I wanna make it sure if it is Brother Deflection talaga. So you are still working, Brother Deflection. You are still working. Yeah, you are still working. How about Brother David? Brother Dave? Yes, thank you so much. You are in Dubai, right? Brother Dave, you are in Dubai. Okay, you are in Dubai, right? Okay. Yes. Brother Deflection, come